Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can migrate from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. So currently, we're here at QuickBooks, and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. And of course, in a new tab, head over to books.zoho.com, and of course, make sure that you're also logged into your Zoho account. Next, heading back to QuickBooks, from here, just click on the Settings button. Then under the Tools section, just click on Export Data. And from here, all you have to do is choose all the necessary data you're going to need to export. You can also check lists and just make sure that you toggle on each section that you want to include. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on Export to Excel. So if you got a zip file, just extract it by clicking on Extract All, and this is the extracted file. So before we can upload this, make sure that you convert all this from Excel to CSV file for us to transfer it on Zoho Books. The next is heading back to books.zoho.com. In the left panel, just hover your mouse and click on Sales, then click on Customers. Next, in the right corner, you should be able to see this three dot icon that says More Actions. Just click on it. And from here, we're just going to choose Import and Import Customers. A window will then pop up. Then just click on Continue. And from here, we're just going to need to drag and drop the file that we downloaded earlier. It should be a CSV file. So just click on Choose File and choose the customer's data. Just click on Open, and once done, just scroll down and proceed by clicking on Next. And from here, you have to double check if all the details entered on the file is all correct. Then once done, just head over and click on Next. And after all the checking, once done, all you have to do is click on Import. And just by that, we have now successfully migrated from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!